Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Bitcoin from Robinhood to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, this process has gotten even more user-friendly, but it's crucial to stay secure and efficient. Whether you're looking to move your Bitcoin for better control or to avoid platform fees, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First off, make sure you have both the Robinhood and Trust Wallet apps installed on your device. By 2025, you'll want to verify your accounts are fully updated and compliant with any new regulations, like enhanced KYC requirements, to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Robinhood app and log in securely. Navigate to your portfolio, select your Bitcoin holdings, and look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. Robinhood's interface might have some fresh updates, so keep an eye out for that. Step 2. Decide on the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Remember, network fees could be higher in 2025 due to increased demand, so check the estimated costs before proceeding. Step 3. Switch to your Trust Wallet app. Go to your Bitcoin wallet, tap on Receive, and copy the wallet address. This is your unique key. Never share it with anyone to keep your funds safe. Step 4. Back in Robinhood, paste the Trust Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything for accuracy, then enable any two-factor authentication if prompted. Hit Confirm, and your transaction will be initiated. Step 5. Once sent, monitor the transaction status. You can use a blockchain explorer like Bitcoin's official one to track it. It might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. And just like that, your Bitcoin is now in Trust Wallet. This method gives you full control over your assets. A quick pro tip. Always back up your wallet and stay informed about crypto trends in 2025 to maximize your investments. Thanks for watching, folks. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that digital future together. See you in the next video.